You know, while I have this wig on right now, might as well start showing you guys some samples, some swatches, some things that have come in for Rhaenyra's gown. I'm getting excited. First off, I've got to shout out my wonderful friend, Louisa Silhouette Cosplay, who sent me her leftover Daenerys sequins from her landing gown to use in my gown if I need. Like, this is so wonderful. I'm 100% putting it in there. I need to make sure, you know, I'm not going for 100% screen accurate, but close. But I'm definitely going to put these in there because these are beautiful and exactly what they used in the show. And also she sent me some leftover silk embroidery thread. Thank you so much, Lisa. And this super cute happy dragoning card. Oh my gosh. Targaryens, we stick together. Okay, we have a swatch alert. This is, however, going to be one of the last ones if I choose it. It's a great pattern. Almost perfect. However, it's chenille. It's very thick. It's upholstery fabric. If anything else doesn't work, we will default to this one because it's actually the right color, like vibrancy. The motifs are darker than the other, you know, the negative space. And then the other side, it looks like this. But it's not bad, but hey, we got it in. But it's first, well, actually, this is the third swatch. The other two swatches we did earlier in the other videos, if you wanted to go check those out. So it's okay. Now let me show you what I purchased today. Another big old shout out to Beth of Amazonian Cosplay, who has been helping me figure out all of our charms, beading, random stuff we got to do to embroider onto this gown. My two big purchases first are this gold chafe, and I'm pretty sure these are screen accurate. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, Liz, but I'm pretty sure they are. Or not Liz, Beth, I'm sorry. Beth, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Anyways, I got some of these gold leaf-shaped charms, and I got this fishbone chain in gold to be able to also put on the outfit, and I will show you guys where they go. Also, please ignore the quantities on that Etsy buy page. I took a freaking guess, and so we will see if they're right when they come in. But anyways, the little leaf charms are these guys up here, and that fishbone chain is this big long boy here that we're going to have to sew on some silk embroidery thread throughout to get that big long chain look. But that's what those two are. I will get on here and talk more about the embroidery when I've really got a solid plan so I don't confuse you guys. But those I knew I needed, so I went ahead and grabbed them. I just want to shout out how amazing the Game of Thrones costuming community is. We are all in this together, sharing links, talking about stuff, and it's fantastic, and I really love it. If you are interested in making your own Rhaenyra, go follow Game of Thrones costuming on Facebook. You won't regret it.